Hello, I welcome all of you to my channel. Today's grammar topic is verb. There will be multiple choice question and each question carries 1 mark. So, let's start solving the question because the more you practice, the more you become perfect. Okay, the first question is, which word is a verb in this sentence? And your sentence is, the birds fly in the sky. Can you spot the verb in this sentence? These are your options. Birds, sky, fly, in. These are the four options. Which one is correct? Those who are saying option C, fly, are absolutely right. Well done. And don't forget to give yourself 1 mark because each question carries 1 mark. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Choose the verb from the list. Here you have been given 4 words in the form of 4 options. You have to choose which one is a verb, right? Okay. So your options are pen, run, tiger, wall. Can you spot the verb out of these 4 words? Which one is it? Is it option A, B, C, D? Which one is the verb out of these 4 words? If your answer is option B, run, you are absolutely right. Well done, my kiddos. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question number 3. Which of the following is a doing word? Okay. Here are your options. Chair, sleep, water, window. Now, look at the question very carefully. Here it's asking a doing word which is doing something. So these are the 4 options. Out of these 4 words, can you spot the word which is doing something? It is option B, sleep. Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is question number 4. Question number 4 is, pick the correct verb to complete the sentence. And this is your sentence. She dash a beautiful picture. Which word should I fill in this blank? Options are draws, book, smile, tree. These are the 4 options. Now, out of these 4 options, which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? Look at the option very carefully. Go through the sentence once again. I'm sure you'll be able to find the correct option. It is option A. She draws a beautiful picture. Okay. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is, identify the verb in this sentence. Your sentence is, Ravi eats lunch at noon. Now you have to identify the verb in this sentence. Here are your options. Eats, Ravi, lunch, noon. Now quickly identify the verb in this sentence. And let me know which one is the correct option out of these 4 options. It is option A, eats. If you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. Okay? Now before I move on to question number 6, I have a task for you. Now you have to mention in the comment section below which is your favorite English grammar topic and which topic you don't like so much. Okay? So let's move on to our next question, which is question number 6. You're right. Okay. Question number 6 is, which sentence uses the verb in past tense? Okay. Here are your options. I eat my lunch. Next, he plays football. Next, they watched a movie. And last, she writes a story. Now, these are the 4 sentences. You have to find out the sentence that uses the verb in the past tense. Okay? So, quickly identify which sentence is it. Is it option A, B, C, D? Which one is the correct option? Or which sentence uses the verb in the past tense out of these 4 options? And if your option is option C, you're absolutely right. Well done. And don't forget to give yourself 1 mark because each question carries 1 mark. Okay, let's move on to question 7. Question 7 is, what is the correct verb form for this sentence? The dog dashed loudly. Okay, Here are your four options. Bark, barks, barked, barking. These are the four options. Which one should I choose to fill in this blank? Should I choose option A or B or C or D? Which one do you think is the correct option? If you say it is option B, you're absolutely right. The dog barks loudly. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is question number 8. Choose the sentence with two verbs. Now here you have to choose the sentence which is having not one but two verbs. Okay, let's look at the option. The first option, I go to school. Next, she sings and dances. Next, the sun shines. And the last option, he plays cricket. Now look at the sentence very carefully and try to spot the sentence which is having two verbs. So which one is it? Is it option A, B, C, D? Which one is the correct option? Which sentence is having two verbs out of these four sentences? It is option B. She sings and dances. Yes, sings and dances are the two verbs in this sentence. Okay? If you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is question number 9. Question number 9 is, which word is a verb related to reading? Okay, you have to spot the verb related to reading. Here are your options: page, book, read, pencil. Here are the four options. Which one is the verb that is related to reading out of these four options? Come on, very easy question, isn't it? I'm sure all of you must have guessed the answer till now. Yes, and you guessed it right. It is option C, read. Okay? Okay, so we have reached the last question of our questionnaire. That is, what is the doing word in this sentence? And your sentence is, the monkey jumps on the tree. Now, can you spot the doing word in this sentence? Here are your options: monkey, tree, on, jumps. These are the four options. Which one of it is a doing word? Okay, before I tell you the answer of this question, if you find my videos useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. Okay? Okay. And now let's come back to the question. These are the four options. Now which one do you think is correct? Is option A correct, B correct, C correct, or D is correct? And those who are saying option D are absolutely right. Well done. Give it a clap for yourself. And with that, this is the end of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning all of you.